What else did she leave this 11-year relationship with, sir?
My son.
His live-in lover left him after 11 years and took their 5-year-old son because she says he was secretly planning to take the boy from her.
Gary had already started proceedings to get custody of my son.
That's the God's truth.
You're lucky that a lightning bolt didn't come right down and strike you down.
You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinlin. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is her courtroom. This is Judge Judy.
Party's on. Summers versus Hill. Step forward, please.
43-year-old auto mechanic Gary Summers claims his live-in girlfriend of 11 years, Veronica Hill, ran out with his money and son.
Order. All rise. Quiet in the courtroom, please. All rise. Judge, number 86 on the calendar in the matter of Summers versus Hill. Parties have been sworn in, Judge. You may be seated.
What else did she leave this 11-year relationship with, sir?
My son.
Judge Judy continues in a moment.
I was hurt. I was very hurt.
Yeah, that's why she took the money. It hurt so bad she had to get compensation.
Real cases, real people. Judge Judy. Veronica Hill admits she ran out on auto mechanic Gary Summers and took his son, but claims she had to leave because of Gary's controlling behavior.
You say in your answer to his complaint was $1,700, right?
She's ready to rule.
I better watch out for my son because my son needed to live in a better home.
And later today,
And they call my son a white supremacist because he's sitting on a phone booth threatening my son, and my son just reaches up and grabs him by the arm and pulls him down.
real cases, real people. Judge Judy.
So after an 11-year relationship, she left with $1,700.
I'm not suing anybody. I'm doing what you're supposed to do in family law. I'm giving my response to the last hearing.
Good. Well, I'm giving my response to you, Mr. Summers. I'm dismissing your lawsuit. That's all.
Parties are excused.
Okay.
I took the money, Gary, and I had to get
What did you do
compensation,
with it?
but you have
What
not
did you do with
paid
the money?
anything,
What did
have
you do
you?
with money? What did you do with money?
I got the receipts right in here to show you. You can see them.
What'd you do
They
with it,
went
Robbie?
towards your son's child care.
Oh, Veronica, please.
He won't let it go. I know he won't.
Well, of course I won't. I want my son.
Parties on. Arriaga Salazar versus Padilla Rogers. Step forward, please.
14-year-old Daniel Salazar says his one-time school friend, Andrew Padilla, badly injured him when he pulled him off a phone booth.
Daniel, that's you and your Andrew?
Are you fall into the person that pulled you down?
So you believe that your son is not responsible for this?
She's ready to rule.
And you don't even remember, because you were dazed and confused because
You've
you
been admitted you
purposely
were
didn't
dazed.
catch yourself.
Judgment in this case is for the plaintiff in the amount of $2,500. That's all.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
On the next Judge Judy.
And they call my son a white supremacist because he's sitting on a phone booth threatening my son, and my son just reaches up and grabs him by the arm and pulls him down.
That was not all he did.
Just to
No,
talk
whole
to him.
witness.
I have a police report.
I don't
What
care
he
what
told
the
the
police
police
report
officer.
says because they did nothing to my son.
No, I'm talking about what he told
You
the police
weren't
officer
there,
that
and
he
you
did.
believe him, and he's a liar. You
It's
called
not-
911.
It's not me. It's her son.
You called
He was
911.
injured.
You called 911.
I did call 911 because I
A
was
person
concerned.
that doesn't have medical insurance, do they
So
call
you
911?
laid him there down to die?
No, you put
Because
him
you
in
don't
a
have
car and you
insurance?
take him to the
There was
doctor's
no car at the
office.
house.
Then
She
you
was
don't
at work.
belong watching kids.
I'm not
You
watching
don't have any
kids.
sense.
My goodness.